Making $100 online is very simple if you have some basic skill, which I am going to share with you in this video. So guys, first I want to tell you that if you haven't watched my previous videos, please also watch it. As you know guys, we have start a complete series on data entry. So this one will be a fifth videos of our data entry, where I'm sharing with you different projects and I'm guiding you how to make money online. So anyway, let's get started. So here guys, you can see this is the client requirement which he shared with me related to this project. So he's saying that we have a list of 1000 French website in Excel and require assistant to extract the following information. Okay, and the first he's saying that email address, identify and record email address associated with each website. Then he's saying that contact form, if email address are unavailable, mean if email address is not available, then add contact form link in Excel sheet, but don't leave any list entry, do all. Okay, so he's saying that you don't need to leave any entries. So here is the Excel file guys. You can see there are around 1000 entries. Now our job is to collect email address for each of them. If email address is not available, then our job will be to find their contact form. So I will be showing you everything step by step. So let's get started guys. I will also provide you this link so that you can do practice on it. Okay, so first guys, we will start from the first one. So let's copy the first website URL. Okay, and then we will go to the Google and then we will paste the URL here. Okay, so just paste it, and now let's see what we can get here. Okay guys, so here you can see we got this. Now it's time to collect their email address. So we will go down. So here guys, you can see their email address is available here. Look at guys, and also you can use a free tool which is email extractor guys. This tool will also help you to extract any email address from the website which you open. For example, we here open this website. So here you can see guys, this email extractor tool has been extract this email address here. You can see guys, and also let me copy the email address, and also guys, you can see we got the email address here too. Look at guys, so here is the email address also. And also guys, if the email address is not available, you can also open their Facebook page and you can collect their email address from their Facebook page too. I hope you already know that. And also you can collect the email address from Twitter. Yeah, maybe you can get the email from their YouTube channel too. Okay, so it's very simple. So I just copied the email address. Okay, and now I will paste it here. So very simple guys, we done one entry. Now let's do another entry. So I will just copy the URL of this website. Okay, and then I will cut this one. Okay, and I will paste the new URL here. So let's check. The process are very simple guys. You just need to be patient, and I hope you have a good internet. So if you have, then you can complete this type of project in more than 5 to 6 hours. And it's very simple because you need just to do copy and paste work. Okay, so let's see what we can get here on this website too. Okay guys, so it's saying something like that. So then you will need to click here on advanced. Okay, just click on it and then go down here. You can see guys, it's mentioned proceed to this. Okay, so just click on it because our job is to collect the email from this website. So whatever, if the website is not saved, still we need to extract the email address guys. Okay, because it's our job and the client is paying for us. So anyway, let's go down guys. Let's see if we can find their email address from here. Let's go down. Okay, let's see here if we can. I think their email address is not available here. Okay, let's here. Anyway guys, here you can see it's mentioned their Facebook page. Okay, so you can see their Facebook page has mentioned here. So our job will be to collect their email address from their Facebook page. Okay, and also guys, you can see it's mentioned contact here. You can see guys, so let's also click on it if we can get something here. Let's go down. I think they have mentioned their contact form, but also I will try if I can get their email address from their Facebook page. So here guys, their Facebook page is mentioned, so let's open it. So first we will try guys to use our research skill. If we can find the email address, then fine. If not available, then we will copy this contact form and we will paste it there. But first I want to check if their email address is available on their Facebook page, because majority of businesses, they put their email address also on their Facebook page too. Okay, so anyway, let's check if we can find. Guys, there are some technical issue. Facebook is not working right now in my country, but anyway guys, first you will need to check their Facebook email address from Facebook. If still the Facebook email address is not available, okay, on the Facebook page too, then you will need to copy this URL. Guys, you can see it's mentioned contact form. Okay, so just click on it, okay, and then the copy their URL, and then you will need to paste it here. Guys, let me show you. Here you can see, guys, you will need to paste it here, okay, because no, sorry, yes, so it's okay. So we will need to paste the contact form here in this row, because here you can see it's the second URL. Okay, now it's time to do another entry. We will copy the website URL. So let's copy the website URL, and then we will open new tab. So I will cut this one because Facebook is not working currently in my country. So let's paste this. And guys, as you saw, the client instruction was very simple. First, our job will be to collect the email address from the website. Okay, if the email address is not available, then you can copy the contact form. Okay, so we just copy the contact form and we paste it here. So now let me also show another entry so that you can understand exactly how we will work on this project. So it's saying that no found, the request URL was not found on the server. So let's guys remove the other information from this URL, and now let's try to search this one. Okay, so now you can see, guys, we got this data. You might be thinking why the website was not working fast. Sometime, guys, you can see there was a complete URL, so maybe the business has deleted this complete URL data. So in this time we will remove unnecessary data, and we will only leave the domain at the end. For example, maybe you have saw some website where they put .com. Okay, so here you can see they have put .fr because they the website is belong from French country, so they have put this one. So anyway, I hope you understand. So let's go down and let's see if we can find their email address here, guys. Okay, so let's check. Here you can see, guys, they have mentioned contact. So let's click on the contact, and we will check if there anything is available here, because if the email address is not available, then we will just copy the contact form. So here, guys, you can see their email address is available. You can see to technical from the form is template and available, please contact you the following address. Okay, guys, so you can see we will just copy this email address. Okay, just copy it. Okay, copy, and let's see. I think it's not working. So this time we will just type this email address here. Okay, let's type it. @I then space profs.fr. Okay, guys, so you saw we also complete entry number 3. You can see, guys, and you also saw that they have mentioned that there are some technical issues, so we are not able that you can collect our form, so you can contact with us through this email. So we just type this email because you are not able to copy this email address. Okay, so let's also guys do another entry, and this will be the last one. I hope you understand the whole process, and then you will do practice on this project by yourself. Okay, so let me just copy this URL also. Okay, and now I will just paste it here. Okay, guys, so you can also see you don't have permission to access this document. So in this case, guys, here you will need to remove all the data from here. Like you can see, they have just mentioned dot, then IB. Okay, and the other data you will need to remove this one, and then you will need to click enter. Okay, so then again the server is not working. Now let's try to turn on the VPN. Because in this case, guys, and this time, guys, we will need to use this one, because some website, guys, they don't allow some IP to access them. So in this time we will need to change our IP to access the website. Okay, so let's try again, guys. If you can access this website, here I just connect my VPN, and now guys you can see the website has start working, because we are working this for other client, for France, because the client is from a different country, like he's from France. Okay, so majority of these businesses, they are also located in France. So for example, if I'm located in any other country, maybe the businesses, they don't want to someone can access their website from the other country. So in this time, guys, then you will need to use a free VPN. You can use anyone. So I'm using this browser VPN, which are free. You can also use it. So because we are doing the job, guys, so our job is to do whatever needed. Okay, so now guys, here you can see their email address is available here. You can also check the tool has been also extract the email address for us. You can see, guys, here. Okay, so I will just copy the email address from here. Okay, and then I will paste it here. So guys, I hope you understand the complete process, because here I share with you different scenario. Okay, so if the email address is not available in the website, then you will need to copy their contact form. Okay, if the website is not working, then I hope you understand the process, what will you need to do in this scenario. Okay, and I also show you if the website is not working in your country, then what you will need to, then you will need to use a free VPN. Okay, so then the website will start work. So it's very simple, guys. There is nothing difficult, and you can get this type of project unlimited on Fiverr and upwork.com, and you can make a very good amount of money. And anyway, I will be sharing with you more interesting project on this course, so I hope you continue watching it. And this is the playlist of the course, where I will be trying to share with you different new project in a daily basis. So I hope you will learn, and you will also get a practice file from each video description. Okay, so if you haven't watched this 4 video, please watch it, and if you already watch it, that's very good. Waiting for the new videos. Okay, so thank you so much. If you have any kind of issue, please let me know. You can also personally email me if you have any kind of issue. I will try my best to help you, and I hope you understand the whole process, because my job is to guide you, to show you the right path and guide you easy, because I am the easy mentor. So thank you so much for watching.